it's me, some stupid guy. But do you need help?
For what?
You know, when people beat you up. You know, I watch you.
Oh. I guess so.
Well, you need speed cola.
Oh! Thank you, Heaven of the Lord.
Drink it.
What does it do?
Just drink it.
Beat them. Oh. Did you throw the shoe at me? Oh. What did it fall? Yeah, I threw it. You do something about it? That was nothing. This looks like a squirt gun, but it's not.